Benefits of trade finance. If you are planning to import goods from global market, whether it's from China, USA, Europe, Australia, or India, you can use our trade finance services. Trade finance services can help you to conclude more trade deals at a time by freeing up the cash tied up in a single deal. Trade finance can act as a trust bridge between buyers and sellers by giving payment assurance and mitigating other risks involved in international trade transactions. Trade finance can open up new opportunities and helps you to expand your business beyond horizons with less investment. Trade finance services can enhance your credit status in doing imports and exports and also establish a good presence in new markets. Last but not least, availing trade finance is relatively simple and easy than applying for a traditional bank loan. Are you looking to avail trade finance services to import goods from overseas? Submit your requirements to us. We are genuine and trusted trade finance providers in Dubai for over 30 years. Contact us now. Email us support@bwtradefinance.com. Call us 97145519699. Call or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487661. Visit www.bwtradefinance.com.